So I'm sure some of you have seen the TikTok going around where your teammate sneezes in your headset and it sounds like it blows your head off. Well, that happened to me on stream earlier. So I thought I'd make it into a TikTok and share it with you. If you enjoy content like this, make sure to drop a follow. Enjoy. Took me into fucking hell. Has anyone seen that TikTok? Do you know what it's like when my teammate sneezes?
When? Oh, I was gonna go. When? What was that thing when he sneezes at me and my baby?
Started when we were young. You were mine.
Me, mum, when you're.